I don't know sirens. It's noon, it's the first of the month, I don't know what's going on. Yep, I don't hear nothing. It's the first Wednesday of the month. Oh, there it goes. There's the sirens. I thought it was, first I was going to turn this, start recording, but yep, I hear the sirens. There they go. Yep, right on time. My guess it takes a minute just to activate the sirens. Yeah, the soothing sound of a tornado siren going off. Yeah, mind you, the Midwest had a lot of tornadoes. Good thing the sirens work over there, but yeah, well, I don't know why I'm talking over the siren test. I should shut up and listen to it. Yeah, back then, back when I was little, I used to have a irrational fear of sirens. But now, since I'm grown up now, I'm used to it. Sirens are here to protect us, not to harm us in any way. Yeah, I can still hear them. Yeah, I read online they're supposed to be like 3 to 5 minutes long. It's like an optical test. Oh shit, that was a bird there. Oh. All right. There we go. Hear that? That's dying down. I think one siren's still active. And there you go. Shuts right down.